Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to review some of the items that we have received from Big Basket this morning. The order at 8:39. Delivery slot was from 6 to. Let's start off with the items that we did receive, and pretty decent service by Big Basket throughout, and the quality of material that we received through Big Basket is pretty good, and you can always receive what you want and return something on arrival if you don't like them. If you feel that this is not the ginger that you had ordered, something else and not to your liking, you can return straight away and they pretty much take it, no questions asked, which is a great thing. So let's start. We will start bill wise, and so there's Royal Gala apples. We received Royal Gala apples, and this is the kind of apples that we usually order. The mangoes. Now this is the mangoes that we received. It's really nice. They're almost ripe. एक आध दिन में पक जाएंगे. That's not a problem, and some of them are actually ready to consume also. It's pretty decent. थोड़ा सा है, but that's okay. उतना चलता है. And overall nice. But we did receive 4 boxes short. Then next is cluster beans, gawar, and we had ordered 500 grams, half a kg, and pretty decent quality actually. Nicely packed. Yeah, gawar is quite fresh. It's nice. Next is beetroot. We didn't open these packs because we wanted to open them during the review. So this is beetroot, around half a kg. So one big one and 2 smalls, but they're nice and firm, and that's how you check beetroots. You want them to be nice and firm, you don't want them to be soft. The soft means they're old. Then हो गया carrots. The carrots हमने काफ़ी order किए because I actually wanted to have carrot juice. So rest of them are in the kitchen. Carrots also nice and firm. They're fresh. The size is consistent. They're nice. उसके बाद we had ordered cucumber, English cucumber, and English cucumber also seems very nice. They're not too thick, they're not too big, they're nice, fresh, the perfect size, really nice. And the English cucumber have less seeds, the better in a salad, so we ordered that. Then we ordered Kimia dates, which are nice, and it's Ramadan, so consume a lot of dates. A pretty decent packing, although I felt the price of the Kimia dates was a little higher than what is there in the market. Drumstick, we ordered drumstick. थोड़ा सा drumstick is okay, not bad. Then we have garlic, and garlic भी काफ़ी decent है. Garlic is really nice. Mix match है, छोटे हैं, बड़े हैं. There's all types and pretty okay. I was actually looking for peeled garlic, but it was not available, so we ordered the normal garlic. And then is ginger. I'm guessing it. Oh no, this is also garlic. Ginger is here. This is ginger. Pretty okay. Good actually. Nice. Won't be opening. And then we have lemon. मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ पे कहीं है. हाँ. So lemon we have around 6 pieces. Decent size. ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं हैं, ज़्यादा छोटे नहीं हैं. I think they're pretty okay. And then we have मेथी. अच्छा लग रहा है मेथी. Oh, मेथी थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपोर्ट में थोड़ा सा, if you can see, थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया है, but I don't think the quality was bad. I think this is due to the transport thing, and the rider and me, we didn't notice this. So मेथी थोड़ा सा वो है, and we'll have to immediately actually change this. Then we have Musambi. Musambi was a 3 kg pack, and taste तो नहीं किया है, देखना पड़ेगा. Seems decent. It's a nice 3 kg pack. We ordered 2, and let's see. And as I remember, the rate wasn't too much. And then we have onions and potato, and onions and potato we don't have it here because my mother-in-law got impatient and she opened them and they're in the kitchen now, so sorry we don't have them here. And then we have pomegranate, anar, the decent, ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगा, उनको काट के नहीं दिखाऊँगा, but they seem pretty decent. We had ordered last really nice ones the kitchen. And we have raw mango curry. This is for the cooking purpose. ये curry मंगाए थे and we just wanted to see how it is. Pretty nice cooking वाला mango है ये curry. Then अपना है local tomatoes. Tomatoes is one of the packets we ordered. A nice mix and match. Most of them ripe, a couple of them semi-ripe. So good, you can actually keep them and use them for a couple of days more. And then we have watermelons. Watermelons order kiye the and seem pretty nice and firm. No damage, nothing. And then we ordered a lot of dry fruits this time because we wanted to make some maybe like a dry fruit bar or something like that for the kids. So we ordered badam, and this is California badam, the badam that we typically use. The quality is pretty decent. Now इसमें दो आते हैं in Big Basket. You have BB Royal, you have BB Regular. So I didn't actually not BB Royal and BB Popular. So badam में I thought we'll go for the Royal because badam if it's not fresh, you know, कभी कभार थोड़ा सा rancid हो जाता है, चिरांडी वो आती है उसमें. And this is cashew nuts. They're whole cashew nuts. You can take half if you want. And these also look pretty good. And then we took some अंजीर. अंजीर popular वाला लिया, royal वाला नहीं लिया because I think maybe price difference बहुत ज़्यादा था. And after the lockdown I might get it from another place. But for now pretty good. And then raisins. किशमिश हो गए. The normal raisins and then some walnuts. These were all the dry fruits that I could find. And थोड़ा सा सोचा कि वो लेके we'll make some maybe like we'll use them for a granola bar or maybe for just a dry fruit bar. We ordered lots of milk and stuff just to be on the safe side. We ordered Amul Taza milk and all of them delivered nicely. This is the milk that mostly we use as a backup for the children. And Amul Gold, however, is really nice milk if you want to use it for kheer or preparing desserts or anything like that. It's pretty decent to drink also. Khali peene ke liye bhi it's really amazing. It's got that whole milk wala flavor, and if you're making desserts, it's really nice. Aapko zyada sukana nahi padega. And then there was Britannia chocolate cake. My younger son loves this, so we ordered a lot of it. Lot of it nahi, 4 ही आ रहे थे. So अभी 4 कर दिए, फिर बाद में फिर next order में हर order में मंगाते रहेंगे. But previously we used to order a lot of these. उसके बाद हो गया this Zeera soda. Just came across this and my mother-in-law, she absolutely loves Zeera soda. We don't know how is this Bindu wala Zeera soda. We'll try it and we'll let you know. But the Bindu Zeera soda is what I've seeing for the first time, and there wasn't a smaller bottle, इसलिए बड़ा वाला order कर दिया. And then real fruit juice. We mainly ordered, देखो real में we ordered orange, and then Tropicana में we ordered apple. This was for a specific reason. My wife wants to make an Arabic champagne that she picked up from one of the restaurants here, and she wants to try it out. We will make a video of that as well, and उसको भी post करेंगे. It's a very decent say mocktail to make, and kids love it. And there's some apple juice हमारे लिए. Sorry, apple juice was for that, and the mixed fruit is for the kids, or actually for me. Then for a Tang, it's Ramzan and it's not always possible to make fresh juices, so Tang is really good alternate, and it was a pretty okay price. And then cornflakes. We ordered 2 pack of cornflakes. This is the typical Kellogg's wala bada family pack, and really nice. If you're a big family and kids consume a lot of Kellogg's, or you consume a lot of Kellogg's, this is a really good pack to go for, and as Ziploc, it was nicely delivered. This is Baggeries, a company called Baggeries, and we ordered their Kellogg's because Inca Kellogg's I had picked up from a local supermarket here recently when during the lockdown जब Kellogg's available नहीं था, and my elder daughter actually loved this and she liked it kind of more than Kellogg's. So I thought they both were a little similar, but Baggeries was richer in flavor. So you should try this sometime. And this is not an endorsement or anything, but we just felt that Baggeries was really nice. So you can actually give it a try. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is we are actually planning to do some preparations with coconut milk. So that is why we have ordered coconut milk. Now overall, to sum it up, the delivery, the service by Big Basket is very decent. The prices for vegetables are very decent if you compare them, if you benchmark them with other supermarkets, they're almost the same. अगर आप अपने local सब्जी मंडी से tally करोगे, they're very similar, and it's surprising actually. They're very similar. The watermelon, if I remember right, is around 15 rupees a kg or something. बाहर 20 रुपए मिलता है, बाहर भी 15-20 रुपए मिलता है. So I think pretty decent. And price versus convenience versus all the packaging and everything, I think it's pretty decent. It's a good service to try if you haven't tried it. I know a lot of people who are doing it, and I know a lot more who are not actually ordering. So it's actually a good good option to try, and especially during lockdowns. It's really good because you want to minimize going out, you want to stay at home. Once you receive all this advice is that whether it is from Big Basket or any other place, you basically wash your vegetables, rinse everything, and take some sanitizer, soak a cloth in it, and wipe all that stuff. We've done all that already. So please do that. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you for watching.